So then, today we're going to be looking at some stuff from Spellcrow. Hi guys, and welcome back to Pyro Painting. Today we're going to be looking at some special stuff from Spellcrow. But before that, if you're new here and you want to keep up to date with hints and tips on how to make your miniature painting better, then please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss an upload. So, today we're going to be looking at stuff from Spellcrow. I was lucky enough that Spellcrow sent me some stuff over to show you some of the lines that they do and what you can expect if you to buy from them. They do a lot of different miniatures. More than anything that really speaks to me is the fantasy and the terrain. They also do like 40k conversions, and they also do a few other pieces. So yeah, I will leave a link in the description below. I would advise you please go and have a look at their stuff. What I have here is just a small sample of what they do. Also, Spellcrow have gave me the amazing opportunity to bring you a little bit of a special if you're to order through them. So now, if you order in the next hour of this video being published, and you make that order of £20 through their site directly, they're giving the opportunity for you to get another product of the same value. So you get another product of £20 or €20 for free. Nothing else. Like, that's it. You know, you're literally getting double your money for that. If you don't get it within the first hour, not to worry, there's still another special as well. Now, if you order in the first 48 hours of this video, same thing, £20 order, but you'll get an £8 product for free, or £8 or €8. Still good. Free stuff. Can't go wrong with free stuff. Now, all you have to do is three simple things. Now, when you go over to Spellcrow and you place your order, it'll say comments when you go to finish it up and everything. And you got to do three things. Well, four technically. Your first thing, you got to be subscribed to this channel. Okay? Then on the comments of where it says to order and stuff, you're going to put the name of the channel. You're then going to mention the date and the time that this was originally aired. And you're also going to put in what product you want. That's it. Nothing else. And then they're going to give you, as long as you're in the timeline, free stuff. So, keep all that info in mind, and let's get down to seeing some special stuff from Spellcrow. And these things are gorgeous. Hopefully, the things you're going to see now, you know, you might want to have a look at, possibly get yourself one. There's a few items in this, lovely, absolutely lovely. So, I'm going to set up the camera and we'll have a look what's in the box. See you in a minute. So then, let's have a look in this little box of goodies we got off Spellcrow. I have removed the tape and all that just to make this easier. So, first off, a little bit of advertising for their game, Umber Tourist, I think, Umber Tourist. I've had a look at it, it looks brilliant. Little skirmish game. Would say go try that out. First piece, bit of resin terrain. These are barricades. And get this out. These are very, very nice. Lovely bit of detail. Again, this would be for more futuristic sci-fi style. Me personally, I play more fantasy, but you know, these are very, very nice. As I said, got two of them. A little bit of differences, but the same kind of thing overall. Bag of barrels. Can't go wrong with a bag of barrels. We have a Menhir stone. This looks incredibly detailed, especially with a nice little bit of vine work. Can't see if you get it too much on the camera, but it runs all the way up. A bit of grass tufts around here, more ivy work kind of thing. This will probably be used for one tutorial I'm going to be making on stone, so watch out for that one. Very, very little house. Again, extreme amount of detail. Very nice. You can't really it's not really picking up a great deal of it on the camera, but trust me, there is a hell of a lot. And then we got some little miniatures for the game Umbra Terrace. So this, to start with, is Goblin with the big feather. And he's absolutely brilliant. As you can see, the feather about the same size as the actual goblin itself. And these are extremely detailed and very nice. So there's the goblin, put him back in his little shell. They all come supplied with bases as well. Next one is Druid Dwarf. I won't get these out now, otherwise the video is going to get too long. But as you can see, again, huge amount of detail. Very, very nice. Next one, Northern Dwarf with Tentacle. Which, this is the one I am looking forward to more than anything of painting. Just because the pose is brilliant and everything. He's a real nice sculpt as well. And they are, again, these fantasy, so they've exaggerated some features and all that. But yeah, with the choice of everything as well, the resin, I have not seen any bubbling. More than anything, the bubbling is on the base or on the bottom. So you're not going to make notice of that. And the last one, Gnome with Book. Good old little happy chappy there. So as you can see, they're real nice miniatures, and you don't specifically have to use them for Umbra Terrace. Yeah, they're built for that game, but say if you're playing a lot of D&D or Pathfinder, or even if you got some like you're playing a little skirmish game and you want something with a little bit more character, these models are very, very real beautifully sculpted to be used. So I'll set up the camera and we'll have a few final thoughts about the stuff. So then, there you have it. That's the stuff that I got from Spellcrow. Really, really nice pieces, and they're lovely, lovely pieces, especially this. I really do like this. Now, as I said, yeah, Spellcrow, small company, fantasy pieces, terrain, 40k conversions. I'd have to take a look at that game, the Umbra Terrace. That looks really good, and it's a small skirmish game. So if you don't want to get into something heavy like 40k or Age of Sigmar, where you're using, could be up to hundreds of models, small games like that are really, really the way to go. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, see ya.